What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have another ring. This is an 18K gold plated ring for men. Let's put the bag on the side. It's size 10. It looks pretty good. It's not heavy. It's well made. Let's take a close up. You guys can see the diamond in the middle and the tiny little diamonds on the side. We have the main one. This is a cubic zirconia. It's not a real diamond. So you can see it has tiny diamonds around it. And the other side as well. Let's take a look on the bottom of the ring. Sides. It's very nice. I got this on the Wish app for free. It's pretty nice. I like it. Okay, let's try it on. I'm a big guy. I have big hands, so it only fits on my tiny finger. Check that out. It's very nice. I like this ring. There you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. I'll talk to you later, guys.